Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. And today, what I'm going to be doing is a Halloween DIY project. Now, some of you may have seen my video that I did the cute little Boo Garland. And what I'm going to do is create one a little different but similar. I'm going to make a rag garland, and I'm going to add a couple of things that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I'll show you what I'm using and then we'll get into the project. So I'm going to show you the supplies I'm using. These little wooden pumpkins and wooden ghosts are from the Dollar Tree. And I've got Waverly white chalk paint from Walmart. And then I've got pumpkin barrel tree paint also from Walmart. And I had these on hand, and I have some jute twine I already had on hand. And then those three fabrics, aren't they adorable? The orange and the one that's already cut up, the pumpkins, I had left over from my last rag garland. But I purchased two fat quarters, the ones with the candy corn and the ones with the orange and black stripe. Aren't they adorable? So I'm making this rag garland for my grandson. So I wanted to be on the more masculine side. I just thought those fabrics together were going to be adorable. And let's get started. What we're going to do, this is how I'm going to lay it out. And I'm going to tie each one of the wooden embellishments on to the jute twine by itself. But let's get started painting first. So I laid them out. I used 5 pumpkins and 4 ghosts, and I'm painting the pumpkins orange, traditional. And I'm going to fast speed through this. You don't have to watch me arduously paint them. And I'm going to paint the ghosts white, obviously. But look at how cute. Oh my goodness, adorable. This is going to be a cute project. And then once they're dry, and these are going to take 2 coats, I can tell you just by putting the first coat on. It's very opaque, so I'm definitely going to be using 2 coats, and I'm going to be painting both sides of the pumpkin. So this is going to be a 2-day project because I'm going to paint and let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to make the rag garland. But I will combine it all into this one video for you. So you're just going to see me painting now the ghosts. And you can speed through this if you'd like. I actually find painting very relaxing. I don't know about you, but it's something that I really enjoy because I'm focusing and concentrating, and it's just very relaxing for me. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed you up to day 2. I am now cutting out my fabrics. I'm going to make my rag strips, and I'm only making them 9 inches long. And I'm just using my rotary cutter and a mat and a guide. And I'm just going to cut each one of the fabrics. And then I'm going to string them. So I'm going to show you how I tied these because if I just strung them on the jute cord, they would have hung sideways. So in order for them to hang the correct way, you've got to tie them on with the jute string. And what I did was I double knotted them because when I first put them on, they were sliding. So I double knotted them so they wouldn't move. I measured them 12 inches apart. And then you can see I just laid out my pattern that I wanted to do, and I'm going to show you up close. I mixed the orange and the black with the candy corn because it really popped that fabric. Then I have my little pumpkin. And then this one is the pumpkins and the orange and black mixed. Then a cute little ghost. And then I repeated the candy corn with the orange and black. And then another pumpkin. And because that was the center, I duplicated that pattern. And then you can see after the ghost, I went and duplicated the pattern that was on the other side. So this was a cute project. It cost me under $5 to make this, and I know my grandson's just going to love it. So here's a close-up look. And you know what, guys? It's a quick project. You can do it in, like I said, I did it over 2 days, but you know, this is something that I'll have for years to come. I'm happy with how it turned out, and I hope I inspired you to take on a cute little project like this for yourself. Maybe use it as a mantle swag. It would be adorable. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you are not a subscriber, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button. Come back and join me. I post new videos each week. And if you want a notification of when I upload, you can just hit the notification bell and you will get a notification. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back and join me again. Have a blessed day.